Okay, let's learn what is molecular mass. How will you calculate the molecular mass? We just learn atomic mass, but we know that in nature, elements they hardly stay alone. They combine with another element, or maybe more than one element with many elements, and they are in the form of compounds. So let's take the example of methane, which is a very common gas, which we find in the natural gas, or I say in the gober gas. So methane is an element. Methane is a compound, and it contains two elements, carbon and hydrogen. So when you say the methane gas, it contains the methane molecules, and each methane molecule contains one atom of carbon and four atoms of hydrogen. So these five atoms of two elements combine together and form a methane molecule. So methane exists as a molecule. The smallest part of the methane, which retains all the property of methane, is one molecule of methane. So this is one molecule of methane. And what will be its mass? Its mass will be the sum of the atomic masses of the atoms present in the molecule. So molecular mass of a compound will be the sum of the individual atomic masses in it. So for example, if you want to calculate the molecular mass of methane, what we'll do is, so it means there is one carbon atom and four hydrogen atoms. So we will multiply the atomic mass of the carbon by 1, and add it with the atomic masses, and multiply atomic masses of mass of hydrogen by 4, because there are four hydrogen atoms. Mass of four hydrogen atoms and mass of one carbon atom. Mass of the atomic mass of carbon is 12U, that we have assumed, like this is the this has been assumed, this has been fixed as 12U, that the mass of the carbon 12 atom is this. So this is the mass of carbon, 12U, 12 unified mass, and mass of hydrogen atom is 1.008U. You multiply 12 by 1, 4. It's approximately equal to 16.043 unified mass. So this is the molecular mass of a molecule of methane. The term molecular mass is generally concerned with the compound, not with the element. Atomic masses of an element, right? But molecular mass will be of a molecule originally, maybe for element also, but it will be more often of a compound. So the molecular mass of methane is 16.043 U. That's one molecule of methane. The mass of one molecule of methane will be 16.043 U. And what does U? This means what? What is the definition of U? U is what? U is considered to be 1/12th of a mass of a carbon 12 atom, right? So we will say that methane molecules is 16 times, or 16.043 times 1/12 of a mass of a carbon 12 atom. Similarly, if you want to calculate the molecular mass of water, which is represented as H2O, it's very common. We've been learning this right from class 7 or 8. So here you just calculate in the similar way. It's better to put the number of atoms first, 2 into H, atomic mass of 100 atom, plus here you consider it as 1 into mass of one oxygen atom, the atomic mass of hydrogen, the atomic mass of oxygen. The atomic mass again is like, actually, if the element exists as an isotope, then it will be the average atomic masses, considering the percentage or abundance of the isotopes in the available in the nature. Then 2 into 1.008 U, and they are 1 into 16.00 U combined together. Mass of two hydrogen atom and the atomic mass of one oxygen atom is 18.02 U. So this is the molecular mass of water molecule. One molecule of water that we are drinking every day, it's made up of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. But they exist as a, but when we go, if we are able, we have a camera or we have a device which can see through the water, to the water that we are drinking in a glass. It will consist of two hydrogen atom. What it will consist of molecules, right? And each molecule will contain two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen combined together, joined together. And what will be its so what will be its mass, or what will be its molecular mass? The what molecular mass of water is 18.02 U. Means one molecule of water, the mass of one molecule of water is 18.02 U. And what is U? How do you define this? What is U? One unified mass is what? Is 1 by 12 the mass of a carbon 12 atom. So 18.02 U means one molecule of water, or molecular mass of water, is 18.02 times 1 by 12 of mass of one carbon 12 atom. Similarly, C6H12O6 is one molecule of glucose. And how will you calculate the molecular mass of glucose? The molecular mass of one molecule of glucose is six atoms of the weight of mass of six atoms of carbon plus mass of 12 atoms of hydrogen plus mass of six atoms of oxygen. Carbon atomic mass is 12, hydrogen is 1.008, and oxygen's atomic mass is 16.00 U. And the final molecular mass we get is 180.162 U. The molecular mass of glucose is 180.160 U. It means that one molecule of glucose, the mass of one molecule of glucose is 180.162 times 1 by 12 of a carbon 12 atom. I hope you understand this. I hope the things are clearer where we are using the molecular mass.